Jay King, self-made millionaire, coming to you from millionairepenny.stocks.com. And today I'd like to do a small tutorial on howthemarketworks.com. This is a wonderful website for you to sharpen your tools and sharpen your skills as it relates to trading. One of the number one things that you need to do when you start off trading is to first start off paper trading. Paper trading is a simple process that allows you to sharpen your skill set and you begin to understand the patterns and the rules and the disciplines that you need to develop to be a successful trader. Now, when you go to howthemarketworks.com, I want you to register. And once you register in this particular website, once you register with $1 million. And after you register with $1 million, please find our club, Millionaire Boyz Club Challenge. You can find that and join this particular contest. And I would love to teach you how to day trade and go to the next level. Now let's look here really fast. Some of you have had questions. I had over 100 and some emails today, and many people are asking questions just on the basic principles of how to trade. So what you do is when you get into your account, you can click on My Portfolio, and you can go to Trade Stocks. And when you go to Trade Stocks, it's going to ask you to enter your symbol. This is very important. So enter the ticker symbol. Remember, companies are identified as tickers. So if I'm going to enter in Sira Satellite, I'm going to enter SIRI as the ticker symbol, which is Sira XM Holdings. And if you're going to buy the stock, you're going to enter buy. And then if I'm going to buy 500 shares, I'm going to enter 500 shares. And remember, we never do market orders because we don't want the market to dictate what we're going to pay for this stock. We want to do a limit order, and we want to specify. For instance, if the stock is at $349, I'm probably going to get into this stock at $350. There are probably going to be a lot of bidders bidding at $349 to $348. So you're probably going to have to place your order at $350 so your order will get executed. Once this is done, this is the basic way to buy stock. The same way to sell stock. Once you buy, then you want to sell at a higher price. The only thing that you would be changing is you would change the limit price to $370, which is a 20-cent spread. Now let's go over a different situation. We know how to buy stock and we know how to sell stock. But if we want to short stock, 70 to 80% of the time, I bet against stock. I short stock. That just simply means when you borrow shares from the broker, you sell the stock before you buy it. You sell it and you don't own those shares. The broker is lending you, or he's letting you borrow shares that you really don't own. And in order to pay that broker back, you're going to have to cover. And we'll talk about that. But shorting stock and betting against stock, let's say if I wanted to short this particular stock, then what I would have to do is I can enter in the amount of shares I want to short, enter in the limit order. And then what I do is I do three. Let's say if it's at $349 and I want to sell this stock, I'm probably going to have to sell it for $348 or $347 to get my order executed. Because there's going to be a lot of people trying to sell it at $349 and $350. So don't be greedy. To get your order executed faster, why don't you sell it at $348? And so what happens from here, look, short, SIRI 500, limit order, and always the order term can stay on good till today. And so from here, you go down here, see here, and from here, you execute your order. Click to preview. Do you see that? I'm going to short Sira, and let's do 500 shares, and I'm going to bet against this stock. And I put in 348 is what I want to do to short it, and then I click preview, and notice what it does. Once I click preview, it gives me the price, estimated cost for this particular trade. And because the market is closed, a lot of times it won't process the order. But look at here, here it is. So you are about to place a short order for 500 of Sira at 348. Now notice the commission is $10. So remember, this is another thing too. You're going to have to make money on your trades because you got to make sure that you're profiting more than your commission is charging you, because it's going to be a $9.99 commission to buy and a $9.99 commission to sell. So you're looking at about a $20 process on each trade. A full trade is a buy and a sell, or a short and a cover. That's a full trade, which will cost you $20. So notice this is the estimated cost of the order. And from here you would click on click to confirm your particular order. And so this is the pretty simple process. It's a pretty simple process of learning how to buy and sell. Again, in order to buy stock, let me go back down here. I think I have to cancel. I want to cancel my order. So I click on trade stocks again. But remember, make sure you're watching our watch list on Facebook, and also to subscribe to MillionairePennyStocks.com. You can go to our website, and we offer some awesome additional services that will assist you in learning how to trade. You can click on services, and this will teach you some of the services that we provide: free account, premium account, and the diamond account. Again, remember, these are just some basic principles of how to buy stock. Remember, now you trade stocks, click on trade stocks, and from there you buy, you sell, you short or you cover. If you want to buy stock, you put the margin on buy, and then you type in the ticker symbol. Remember, the ticker symbol is always the abbreviation of a company, and then the quantity is how many shares you're looking to purchase. Now, this is something new within this particular site. If you click on the calculator, let's say for instance you're going to purchase 600 shares times, let's say you're going to purchase $3 worth of shares. Well, you can type $3 right here, and so it's going to cost you $1,800. So this is a pretty good way to learn. It's a pretty good way to develop your skills. Have a wonderful day. J. King, thank you.